Party United Democratic Party UDP mentagasi kelapan bana adu live ngut kyrtong iakhun haka election kebanuan House Nam Aja Afulai kentop ru ngut kibedai Negara Hills. Yakini kyrtong belapan bana mentagasi iakhun haka election lapdang buram du present ke parti ba med ba lingdo haringkat ke jingi dan lang baro kini ilam bapau khmat jangka parti.
Today is a very important day for a party, and today I feel that it is also a very special day for the party. In fact, we are the first party to make the first announcement of the list of candidates who are going to contest in the coming assembly elections 2023. I will read out the names of the candidates whom the State Election Committee has approved on the 22nd of November 2022. I just wanted to remind you that on the 22nd of November, the State Election Committee sat and the State Election Committee approved 32 names. This is the first list, 32 names from the different constituencies, from the different districts of the state of Meghalaya. But unfortunately, because of the Mukro incident, we were not able to make the announcement on the 22nd of November, so we had to postpone it till today. So as requested by the President, I will read out the names of the candidates which the State Election Committee has approved, and after reading out the names, later on I'll call each and every one of them one by one to come forward, and I would like to request our respected President to do the honor of felicitating them. So I will read out the list of the candidates. Starting from UDP, from East Jaintia Hills District, from 6th Cleariat Constituency, Shri Kermen Shilla, from West Jaintia Hills District, West Jaintia, I'll read out the names first and then we will call one by one. From West Jaintia Hills District, we have 5 candidates. From 1 Nartiang constituency, Shri Dawan Lingdo. From 2 Joai constituency, Shri Moonlight Paryat. From 3 Raliang constituency, Shri J. Trailang Suchang. From 4 Mukayao constituency, Shri Nujorki Sumo. From 7 Amlarem constituency, Shri Lakman Rumbui. From Ribhoi district, we have 3 candidates. From 8 Mahati constituency, Shri Bayahun Lang Makdo. From 10 Jirang constituency, Shri Badhok Nomale. From 11 Umsning constituency, Shri Sunshine Makri. From East Khasi Hills district, from 13 Maurangkeng constituency, Dr. Osafi Spitzen Jirwa. From 20 Milliam constituency, Shri Mitchell Wankar. From 23 Soyong constituency, Shri HDR Lingdo. From 25 Mausanram constituency, Shri Olan Singh Sun. From 26 Shela constituency, Shri Balajit Kupar Sinrem. From 27 Panursla constituency, Shri Anthony Khangwang. From 28 Sora constituency, Shri Tito Starwell Khan. From 29 Maukanro constituency, Shri Remington Pengro. So altogether 8 candidates from East Khasi Hills. Then from West Khasi Hills district, we have from 32 Nongsan constituency, Shri Polestar Nongsit. Then we come to Eastern West Khasi Hills district, from 31 Mount Hat Rashan constituency, Shri Brolding Nongsit. From 30 Mairang constituency, Shri Medba Lingdo. And then we come to Southwest Khasi Hills. From 35 Ranikor constituency, Shri Pius Marwin. Then we come to Shillong City. From 17 North Shillong constituency, Dr. Amanwar. From 18 West Shillong, Shri Paul Lingdo. From 21 Nongtamai constituency, Dr. Jemino Mautho. And then we have 3 candidates as of now from Shillong City. And then we have from Garo Hills. From North Garo Hills district, we have 4 candidates. From 37 Kharkuta constituency, Shri Ludaberg C.H. Momin. From 38 Mendipathar constituency, Shri Subroto G. Mara. From 39 Resubelpara constituency, Shri Taposh D. Mara. From 40 Bajengdoba constituency, Shri Rakman C.H. Mara. And then we have from East Garo Hills district, from 42 Rongjeng constituency, Shri Andreas G. Momin. And then finally we have from Southwest Garo Hills, we have from 55 Salman Para constituency, Shri Ronald Rickman Sangma. And then we have from West Garo Hills district, 2 candidates. From 57 Dalu constituency, Shri Kennethson R. Sangma. And we have from 47 Rajabala constituency, Shri Ashahel D. Shira. So friends, altogether we have about 30 candidates who are present here. And one candidate is not able to come because of his sickness. And one candidate is on the way from Garo Hills. The total number is 32. So now I will call the candidates one by one to come forward. Moonlight Arya was former, he is also Alia in education. And presently, MD holding nominations. Was former DHS and currently working president of the UDP, was former MLA and contested election.
Kasi kabang iburom ya gawin na kinong nile kinong yukun jong kaching lai loy kaphan nong lai desi agar po atarik kabang ila jit anu blai beladap ngimsim nala ban penlong ya kajing penbenai ya ki kyrtong jongi na kapati UDP kapan wandur mentang sni nengkat bat kani kani yakun bat kanong yale ya ke jelai dut kapan nong lai ngape bat nakal yang kepati rungi pedlang ya ki kandidat mentang ki bagila jiet officially haka first list jong ka party UDP ba kin pen bat tre ya ka kam da kajing tu ban pe nagabanta ke state ban kajai pergi ucongi haga state ke jongi labon teli kisnem ngira yui ba kajing sincha kadon the national party but ngimla claim da pet but nujual but kiwi but ki political but kiwi but state kum Mizoram dan Nagaland Sikkim hakaba kini ki regional party ki wan but ki sensyar hakabo namar ngidon hangni ka UDP ya kabala seng but sedang ta lead iki molong rekat bat kino yalam kilidan hakato ko po ban na somonong bangidon ya ka party ka bobet ka bobiang ban yo iya ka jinsinsya ka pupura hagani ka por ka pamantang iya sko na ki saudong saukun ya ka jing ut ya ka jing nam jong ki bobon balang ka don ka jing dawa baka dai bandon ke jingkala ha ke sensyar kada ngidon ke UDP ni ban ai ban terwa sekipai pa jong ka state nama ngi song thu kham ham ni ha ka be dei bat ka identity lan ne ka jinglong jai bin riu lulum jungi ban ngi song thu ro na ka banta kino ki bang imut ban plan lan ne ban perkhat ha ka be dei na ka banta ki jai bin riu jungi bala ka jugo por ni don kata ka rukom perkhat ka balai lu na ka benta ka sensyar khada dengan so banong bakade ka UDP ka bang ni don ngila banai ya ban gejing pen urlong ya kita gejing angnut jong ki pai ba jong ka state ke jogi ha ka ba ya gidi ki bobon ki snem la sensyar da ki nong yalam jong ki political party na sabar jong ka state haga bakim simlala ban penolong ya kita kijin kimi nanti jong ki pai ba ngi kum ka UDP hang ni ngi la ban sim ya karai hala ka jong ka state ngim don kam ya kata ka high command la kum ki ki political party ngim don kam ya kata ka jing control da manure ki ba sabar jong ka state ngila i bangin sensyar Pengilahi bangin rai, ngilahi bangin penbet, pengilahi bangin penyai yang dikam tang daladi. Idon kabor bangin le daladi yadi. Nak kata daw, yang mentang idon apa ke sorkar, ndre yang bangin ekran yang kinomban. Kalau kay kabadawai yang ni mentang nak mentang arjal alpulai. Bangin haban smutu, bangin dei bandon sibon kinong hikman haga Meklia Legislative Assembly lum komta ngini ai telun siai telun bumi kemla don kino so jong kata ka jing angnot jong ki pai pa ban penoro haga ni ke benta ngi pai din haki election ki balade la persangkar bala gido yalam ki paper ban len se ki pai ba ban wer ya ki pai ba naka benta ban ai ya kajing kesan ke jok pai ba hagi election paper ndre ya ka kod kalong habanyom ya ki seat ki bangi iakhun yo pra yo shipo yo khadwe ban angan galas ke chang yo ndre ngimdo jikirmen ban isgo banong ba habang isap ya ki bobon balang menta sharum seneng man mangilay sa gidong gitahan ki paper ngismo tu ba ki babon ki pai ba ki kwa ban ai no ya ka jikasan ka pura ya ka party ka UDP ban ka bakam sung tu na chuchu ka long ba ki don bon ki leader na ki national party menta ki lawan ya ka ban finish no bat ka UDP ni pen chuchu sa kiway state kuma Andhra Pradesh Telangana nanta West Bengal Orissa bakum ter kini ru kidai ki regional party ki basensa dala de bala mangipet lagi bobon lagi ni state i shibon ki development ban shibon ki kam ki bagi trai kalong baik nak benta ke welfare jong ki nong sok snong ki badan apo ka to kastia ha ka ni ga jo ko rim na ka jong yu kum ka parti UDP kum balo tren bat pen so mene kalong bagi kwa banyu i ba ka parti UDP kan wan ha ka sincha but I ia ka sincha ka bet ka biang ka ban penolong ia ka community jong ki pai ba jong kastia